What's going on, guys? I'm here in Bratislava. I'm not trying to look a bit enthusiastic, but it's just gone 2 in the afternoon. I'm just here on a football tour, trying to make the most of seeing another city that I haven't been to before, and also trying to make the use of the camera equipment I've got. Kind of too shy to really do all this vlogging kind of thing. I'm quite conscious, but I don't know why. People say you get used to it if you keep it up, but no idea. But my main thing for today is got a down day, got a football tournament, as I said a moment earlier, tomorrow. What we're going to do, I want to see the Bratislava Castle, might go and have a look at the Danube, and it's about a 45-minute walk, but I actually want to look at a football stadium, so if I can find one, then I'll be happy. But like the curtain, got quite a decent view, to be fair. I'll give you a tour of the apartment. Right, so I'll give you a tour of the apartment. Bed, baggage, front door, lots of wardrobe space. We've got a nice beanbag, it's got all my clothes in it, football gear for tomorrow. Nice big sofa, chair, kitchen. Let's have a look what the bathroom's saying. There's me. Toilet. Decent shower, to be fair. And basin. But, yeah. I suppose I better get out of here. Let's go. Right, so the mission is I'm going to go on the walk to try and find the Slovan Bratislava ground. Should be fun. Let's get a drink though first. Can't go wrong with Tesco's Express, missing the S. About. Anyway, let's get on this walk. I think it's going to be quite a long one. Do you know what, I might jump on a tram, not sure. See what happens. That must be the Slovak Championship. Cool. €54 for a bag. Oh dear. Just a bit of thingy on. Well, did the club shop thing. Nothing there. Usual stuff. Trying to find football pitches. Is that one in the distance? Through them things? I'll go and have a look in a minute. See if I can get a look at the pitch. Might have to walk all the way around. Or I might get a view from here. Is there any way of looking? No, just from a distance. Probably can't see through there. I'm wondering if there's any way around, if I can have a look. I don't know, I wish I had more confidence with a camera. People giving me funny looks. Ominous tunnel. Don't think I can walk round, can I? Oh, I can. Oh well, it's a better look here. Just wanted to see the stadium. That's all I wanted. Probably can't even get this close on a match day. I'm wanting it to walk round. She's looking fairly decent. I wonder when their pre-season starts. Can't even get close really. Bit lonely up here. Can't even really look at the pitch. No. Don't really want it. My drinks are stopped. Looks like that's their main entrance. I don't know if you can see that. There's a huge painting. What the stadium looks like under lights. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you speaking English or? No. Is there any way of seeing the stadium?
Only
not to look round.
Stadium tour on.
Oh, okay.
On that.
Because I just wanted one picture of the thing, but yeah, it's okay.
Sorry.
I appreciate your help. Thank you. That was a bust. Yeah, stadium tour, which I imagine would be the vibe. But hey ho. I'll see if I can get any closer. I doubt it. I'll have to go to the service door or something. I think that's as close as I'm going to get to the stadium. Well, the club was formed in 1919, and I mean, I can see it from a lower. That's a better view. I don't know if you can see from there, but that is where the dugouts are. I think that's as close as I'm going to get. Right, so my next mission is to find. There's a football store around here, but I don't see it. Well, my Google's not really giving up much. Found it. Is it open? Oh, let's have a look. This is decent. There it is. Not a bad selection of people. Oh. Didn't think getting up to the castle would be this much of a slog. Been knackered after a week of fitness. To be honest, I think I've taken another wrong turn here. If I knew where I was going. I must say, I'm not a castle lover, but I'm quite impressed. Into the mouth of the castle. It says it shuts at 10. Oh, so they must have events here. Cool, who's ready for the view? Oh, this is a road to nowhere, this. Oh, I can't go no further. I have to go back down. I'm impressed. If you can see the wind farms over in the distance. Yeah. Here we go through the gates of you see it's quietly impressive. Although I'm not paying to go in now. I'm just going to do my usual thing. Be rude if I didn't go and have a look. Oh, just a courtyard.
Nasleduje zastávka.
Next stop.
Námestie Ľudovíta Štúra.
Okay, so I'm hoping you pick this up. I haven't got the mic on, but today is the football side of it, of the trip. So I've actually got to go across a bridge now and follow a map. I decided to get the tram down, and to be honest, I don't know why I just didn't get a Bolt or an Uber, but it's actually from the rain this morning. It's actually got quite warm now, so let's see what happens. Catch you in a bit. So, as I'm understanding it, this is very sketchy. I'm right under a motorway, really. No, this is gnarly. Perfect. No ref either. It's gonna be fun.
We've been at this few months while you tested. Great. 100 proof in my veins. Raising hell when I pick up my drink. Hate that you're the